Lakshmi, start! Lakshmi, start! Lakshmi, why are you not starting? Hi guys, this is Stan here again. Unfortunately, the $14 cap did not fix the heating issue, because as soon as I fixed that, the coolant started leaking from the water pump side. It could be the hose or the water pump, I'm not sure, but it started leaking and the car overheated. So the car actually broke down in some location in Kerryville. So I just left the car over there overnight. So now I'm headed there with a can of water and coolant, and I'll just fill it up and take it to the nearest mechanic. I don't want to waste any more time fixing that car. I'll just take it to a mechanic and let them solve it out. So that's the plan today. I'm headed there right now. So see you once I reach there. Now we are just going to top it up with coolant and water, and we'll try to take it till the nearest mechanic. Yep, so that's where I've given my Mazda for repairing. IP Auto Care Blacktown. There it is. Not sure where my car is. That's the place. So I got my car back from the workshop, and I really got a hefty bill for this job. Yeah guys, so this is the total bill. It came around $871. So it was $440 for labor charges, and the remaining for the parts. Just the timing belt kit and the water pump cost me $286, and this is the cost for all the other belts. So they replaced all the belts inside here. They replaced the timing chain and also the water pump which is down there, which you can't see on the cam. So what actually happened was that we fixed the radiator cap, and then there was pressure build up in the radiator. There was already a slight leak from the water pump area, but as soon as we fixed the radiator cap, then started leaking pretty badly. So obviously some gasket must have worn out, and actually on this car the timing belt and the water pump was replaced around 122,000 kilometer range. So this was way back in 2015. That is as per the logbook history. The car right now has done just 185,000 kilometers, so roughly around 65,000 kilometers, and the water pump has failed. Might seem a bit early, but years is a lot, because last time it was replaced was in 2015, and right now it is 2024. So there's so many years gap, and it could be possible that the sealants or gaskets around the water pump might have failed, and that's why this leak right now. Anyway, I got the work done and there's no leaks anymore, and obviously it is expensive, and for such an old car the bills do add up, and that's why I would recommend none of you guys to buy a very old car such as this, because you'll keep getting maintenance cost again and again, and in a country like Australia it's pretty expensive, way expensive. This is the first time that I've owned such an very old car. It's around 32 years old. All my cars were all brand new. This is kind of an experience. I'm a bit disappointed because I was expecting this car to be pretty reliable since my dad had it. I didn't think it would fail this often, but what to do, it is failing. Maybe it's because it's the 1.6 carburetor engine and not the 1.8 liter fuel injected engine which my dad had. Maybe that's why this is not very reliable. As soon as I purchased the car, I spent initially for the starter motor and the flex plate. So that labor cost was very expensive. It was around $700, and the rest for parts. So it was around $520 for parts. And after that, this is the most expensive repair that I've done on this car. It's around $870 for the water pump and the timing kit replacement. And the car's cost was just $1,500 initially, and all this has now added up which is more than the actual cost of the car, so that is a bit disappointing. And still the issue is not fixed. I still have to replace the CV axle. It is worn out, so if I turn extreme right and extreme left, it starts making loud cracking noises from the CV axle. And also I need to replace the exhaust. There is a slight leak from the transmission fluid pan, so I need to fix that. But most importantly right now, the issue is that the car just won't start early morning if the temperature is below 15 degrees Celsius, and right now it is winter here in Sydney, so I can't use this car right now. Let me show it to you guys. Lakshmi, start! Lakshmi, start! Lakshmi, why are you not starting? No use, it won't start. The car just won't start right now. I replaced the battery already and that didn't work, so next I'll have to just change the spark plugs and see. So that's the update on the Mazda 323 right now. I hope you guys found this informative and useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.